In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a tail light on your Scion XB. This is going to be located in the rear of the vehicle, accessible through the hatch. Let's get started. Using a plastic trim tool, we're going to pop off this rear cover. On the back side, we have one connector, and there's a push button right on my thumb. We're going to push that in, pull straight back, and remove that connector. We have 3 10mm nuts we need to remove. And a third one all the way in the top. Remove the 3 nuts. We're going to use a plastic trim tool at the top of the assembly, and there's one hold. We're going to just push towards us and pop that out. And remove the assembly. This is that one anchor that you're popping out. We're going to remove our wire harness from our old taillight assembly. We're going to pull the foam backer off. Pull this plug straight off. Twist all of the sockets in a counterclockwise direction to unlock them. And remove the harness from the assembly. Remove the foam backer off of the new assembly. Install the harness into place. Lock all of the sockets. Get the harness into that hook. Install that connector onto the tab. Install the foam backer onto the new assembly. Now we're ready to install our taillight. Install the taillight, lining up all of the studs. Push it straight into place, anchoring that anchor. You'll hear it click into place. Install the nuts onto all of the studs. Snug down all of the nuts. Get them all nice and snug. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. Install the cover. The 2 tabs are going to go against the outside. And then we'll click the front side into place, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.